Configuration management is a subset of continuous deployment. So in the DevOps cycle, we have discussed about this one, right? So continuous deployment. So this is part of deployment, but the main deployment is done by the Terraform, the software. The OS deployment. Okay. So the configuration management is the act of establishing and maintaining the consistency in the application's function requirement and performance. So whenever you are going to maintain the same state across the environment, you can use configuration management tool. For example, you might get some vulnerability report or Qualys report. Have you used Qualys before?
Yes, not Qualys. We use Nexpose, but I've heard of Qualys.
Yeah, okay. So this is something same, right? So so both tools do the same kind of stuff to track the vulnerabilities and complaints report as well. So whenever you are getting those complaints, for example, you have Java 8, but the recommended is Java 9. So for example, so in that case, you have to remove those things and update with the newer version. And some cases you are having the older version and hotfix patch is supposed to be applied. Then you will get amber or red complaints. So we have to update patches. I have to proactively do that job. So in that case, you have to do some kind of automation instead of doing those kind of reports manually, those kind of common things manually. We have to maintain the consistency across the environment. So if we have Windows machines or Linux machines, we have to all Linux machines or all Windows machines supposed to have this software, supposed to have this accounts, supposed to have this kind of information. So we have to maintain those softwares. You can able to use configuration management tool to perform that job. And we have four different management tools. So one is Puppet, Chef, Ansible, and SaltStack. So Puppet Chef, is okay, all configuration management tools will be work as a master and slave architecture. So master is the management tools where you can install the main softwares, and the remaining servers are client nodes. It's a slave machines where you are going to control all those machines. So some of the configuration management tools is a agent based, and Ansible is the only one is agentless tool. So we'll discuss about the comparison between all configuration management tools. So in setup wise, installs tools installation and configuration wise, so Chef and Puppet is even Salt Stack, so it's not very easy, but Ansible is very easy to install the softwares and make the configuration. And when compared to management, so management means managing the client nodes is not very easy when compared to Ansible and Salt Stack. So scalability is high. All configuration management tools, and the language is used for each configuration management tool is Chef is using DSL, is a Ruby based code, and Puppet also using Puppet DSL, and Ansible using Python as YAML code, and SaltStack also is a Python based tool, so it's YAML code. So YAML is nothing but yet another markup language. another markup language. Like, so when it comes to pricing, Chev, okay, I'm just this is old price, so now it might be increased, and also it's based on the number of nodes. So I just put 100 nodes, 1 to 100, but how many number of nodes you are going to control, based on that one, the price will be different. For up to 100 nodes, the price is something like this. So especially why I have added this one, when compared to other tools, the Ansible is the very less one. Okay, so Ansible, as I said, is a open source. Ansible core is the open source. Arcs also is a open source, but Ansible Tower is a cost one. So I have added this one is not for Ansible, it's Ansible Tower, the licensed one. Okay. All right. So there are certain benefits of DevOps. So this is we already discussed this one. So as I said before, anyone use DevOps. If you are a developer, if you are a tester, or if you are the admin, operation side, you can use DevOps. You can participate in any cycle. All right.